If you're watching this video, it simply means that you're looking for various ways how to make money online. And let me break it to you. YouTube is one of them, and it's actually one of the best ways how to make money online. You see guys, there are over 38 million active YouTube channels on YouTube. And of course, there are a couple hundred thousands of them which are very successful. And in order for these content creators to continue to create content and deliver every single day, every single week, amazing content for their audience, they need a team. You see guys, most of these successful YouTubers, they have a team. Whether it's a thumbnail designer or a video editor or a content creator, they have someone who is helping them to come up with the final product of these amazing videos that you're seeing. And that's why in today's video, I'm going to share with you a very high in demand niche that you can jump in today to help content creators who are in need of YouTube professionals, which resulted in you making thousands of dollars every single month. Now, if this sounds fascinating to you, let's head over to my screen so that I can show you how this is done. All right, guys, so the website in question here is ytjobs.co, which simply means for YouTube jobs, right? So here it says discover the best YouTube professionals, and you can register as a talent or you can register as a content creator or an employer, right? To register is very easy. On the top right hand side, you see sign up and log in. You simply want to go ahead and click sign up, and you can choose if you want to hire someone or you want to also find a job. So if you want the job, you click this option. If you want to post the job, you choose I want to hire, right? Now, so let me go back to the main page here. If you scroll on here, you see that it is trusted by over 1,000+ content creators. So you can see that right there, it's a very targeted niche and it's not oversaturated. Now is the best time to jump in so that you can capitalize on those jobs, right? If you come down here, you can see some of the featuring jobs and also some of the recent placement, top talents as well, and leaderboards, right? And if you look at the bottom here, you can see some of the job types and also some of the talents. Now, let me go up to the top and show you. So if you want to post a job, you simply go here, you click to log in as an employer, or as I said, you log in as a talent if you are looking to do the job yourself, right? Now, if you head over to jobs now, guys, you can search based on categories or also the job types, and of course there's also the location where you have hybrid, offsite, and remote. And for YouTube, if you're gonna mostly find a lot of these jobs as remote, so this is something to note. Now, if you want to go through some of the categories, you can see that you can find video editing job, creative director, you can find thumbnail designer and channel manager, YouTube strategist, script writer, and even YouTube producer. And if you want to take these jobs yourself, all you have to do, let's say you would like to do a script writing job or a video editing job, you can simply choose the job, click on any one of them, and you can easily apply. So once you click on apply, you will basically log in and you can join as the talent, right? So pretty easy stuff, and they are telling you what the job is about, how much it's cost, and you will find all the information about the job. You can find if it's paid per project, if it's remote, the start date, and also if it's long-term or short-term. Because if you go to the jobs, guys, you can see that you can search by full-time or part-time, right? Or just project or gig. So you can filter based on the type of jobs that you want. So if you're looking for something full-time, you can filter by it, and you can find a lot of those creators offering full-time. Have a look at this. YouTube strategist, they're paying 30,000 to 80,000 US, guys, right? So this is pretty incredible stuff. And you can find that a lot of these channels are really offering big money to acquire talent. So guys, you can easily register and do any one of these jobs yourself. Now, let's say you don't want to do the jobs yourself. How can you basically capitalize on this niche, on this page, and take as much job on your hand and make the most money out of this? I'm talking making anywhere between $100 to $500 every single day. Capitalize on this. Or as well, you can really take on some of the full-time employment jobs, right? And make a lot of money online. How do you go about doing this? I'm gonna simply pick a niche right here, and I'm gonna choose, for example, script writer, right? So what you wanna do is simply head over to Fiverr.com, guys, and you want to simply type in YouTube script writer. And here you can find, for example, this guy have over 1K reviews and over 4.9 rating. So you can check out his profile to see what he offers and what people are saying about him, and you can check out his different plans, right? So you have a basic plan, you have a standard plan, and he have a premium plan. And if you look at these guys, you can see that you can really capitalize and utilizing someone like this. He have over 4 years experience and he has very good feedback. So what you can do, you can contact somebody like this, explain the project that you have gotten here from ytjobs.com, and you can simply have these people do the work for you. How amazing is that? So this is an incredible way, guys, how you can basically have someone do the work for you on Fiverr and then provide that work back to those creators here on YT Jobs. Now this is amazing stuff, guys. As you can see, they have quite a lot of jobs, as I mentioned before, both full-time, part-time, and as per project. You can come here and you can find a lot of jobs, and you can take those jobs and work it as project managers, and you will be able to go back and take on those projects, find freelancers on Fiverr or Upwork to do the job for you, and then come back and deliver those jobs. And one of the best thing about Fiverr and Upwork is that you have multiple reviews. So if you deliver something here and it's not up to their standard, you can come back and explain it and have them review the work and have them optimize it until it's perfect. And that way the employers here on YT Jobs will be satisfied. And this is an amazing way, guys, that you can utilize right now to start making money online today using YT Jobs. And there you have it, guys. I really hope that this was very inspiring for you, and you can capitalize on this niche by utilizing YT Jobs and Fiverr or even Upwork to support content creators, and of course to make thousands of dollars every single month that could change your life and help you to quit your 9-to-5 job. With that said, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release another video just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.